Hey garden friends, welcome to another episode of AJ's Green Thumb. Actually, the 216th episode of AJ's Green Thumb. So I recently hit 5,000 subscribers, and to celebrate that milestone, I'd like to show my sincerest thanks. So I'd like to do an appreciation giveaway. In the comment section below, I'm going to be selecting 3 random garden friends, 3 random subscribers. All right, so just be sure to drop a comment below if you'd like to participate. So the first place winner, I guess you can call it, I'm gonna give away a pair of HISEA boots. So recently I put out 2 videos showcasing HISEA boots. So if you go down in the comment section, or in fact, I'll leave it in the description below, the website to the HISEA boots, and choose a pair. Just choose the best pair you can think of. So that will be the first place winner, and the second place winner will win an order of 50 bulbs to plant for this fall. In addition to the 50 bulbs, I'm going to give away a 1-year subscription to Fine Gardening. The third place winner will win a 1-year subscription to Horticulture magazine, and I'll throw in a seed pack, a fall seed pack, so we can get this fall season started off right. All right, so why is this thing so loud all of a sudden? I think you guys are going to really love these gifts. And, you know, throughout AJ's Green Thumb's 2 years in circulation, I've never done a giveaway. I just figured I'd continue delivering quality content, quality videos. But for this 5,000 subscriber deal, I figured, why not just go all out and throw all the prizes out there? So again, I'd like to say a sincere thanks. Muchas gracias. Merci beaucoup. Grazie mille. Shukran laka. Sisi ni. And domo arigato. I figured I threw out a whole bunch of languages saying thanks because I consider my channel to be a worldwide channel. So again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you following me, and I really respect your time, and I hope to continue to deliver quality content to you from AJ's Green Thumb. Thanks.